Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a quick review of Panda Remit, one of the latest money transfer services that's making waves among expats. If you're living abroad, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable way to send money back home, whether it's for family support, paying bills, or just keeping up with expenses. So, let's see if Panda Remit lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the basics. Panda Remit is designed specifically for international money transfers. They boast competitive exchange rates and low fees, which are two key factors when choosing a money transfer service. Nobody wants to lose a chunk of their hard-earned cash to hidden fees or bad rates, right? One of the standout features of Panda Remit is its speed. They claim that most transfers are completed within minutes. I tested this out with a small transfer to my friend in Europe, and guess what? The money was there in under 30 minutes. That's impressive. Now, moving on to the user experience, the Panda Remit app is pretty user-friendly. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate even if you're not tech-savvy. Signing up was a breeze, and the verification process was quick, no long waits or complicated steps. Another big plus is the security. Panda Remit uses advanced encryption to protect your data and transactions. This is super important because the last thing you want is your personal information falling into the wrong hands. But like any service, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One downside I noticed is that Panda Remit isn't available in every country just yet. So, depending on where you are or where you're sending money, you might not be able to use it. Also, while their fees are generally low, they can vary depending on the amount you're sending and the destination. It's always good to double-check before making a transfer. Customer support is another area where Panda Remit shines. They offer 24/7 support via chat, email, and phone. I had a minor issue during one of my transfers, and their support team was quick to respond and very helpful. It's reassuring to know there's someone to assist you anytime, especially when dealing with your finances. In conclusion, Panda Remit is a solid choice for expats looking to transfer money internationally. With its competitive rates, fast transfers, user-friendly app, and strong security measures, it ticks a lot of boxes. However, be mindful of the availability in your region and always check the fees for your specific transfer. If Panda Remit sounds like the right fit for you, I've got a link in the description where you can sign up and start sending money today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips for expats living abroad. Catch you in the next video.